You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this commune or little town in France. That was the birthplace of Joan of Arc, or Jeanne d'Arc. It's famous in particular for that. So let's learn how to say it. In French, in France, it is pronounced as Domrémy. Domrémy. Okay, so it's not that the M is silent, it's just that the OM in French, just like ON, it's the same sound, is form the on sound. On sound. It's kind of a nasal sound. So it's not Domrémy, but Domrémy. Domrémy, okay. So you could say it in English as Domrémy, Domrémy. Second part is la pucelle, meaning the virgin. Domrémy-la-Pucelle, Domrémy-la-Pucelle. In English you could say it as Domrémy-la-Pucelle, Domrémy-la-Pucelle. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.